Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. So today I decided to speak over this video, not because there's special thing I want to say, just to explain what I'm gonna be how I'm gonna be cooking this chicken. Yeah, normally I don't speak over my videos, that's why I'm saying that. But yeah, so these are ingredients which we're gonna need for this recipe. We're going to fry onion first, so these are 2 medium onions. I'm gonna fry until start getting brown, and now I'm adding my ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to fry together until it's nicely brown. Okay, everything seems perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my spices, starting with cumin seed. This is black pepper, chili powder, turmeric powder, cinnamon sticks, black cardamom seed, salt to taste, bay leaves, and this is chicken masala, and I'm going to fry for a minute. Okay, so it's been 1 minute already, so I'm going to add my chicken and I'm going to stir fry for about 3 minutes until the color change. Okay, I have fried the chicken for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes, and make sure you peel your tomatoes. If you think peeling it's gonna take forever, just boil water, put the tomato in the water, in the hot water, the skin will easily come out. Yeah, so I just add some green chili there. I'm going to cover and cook for 10 minutes. It's after 10 minutes now, and here, as you guys can see, the tomato is it's nicely cooked. The sauce is nice and smooth. Now I'm going to add water, because it's not like the chicken is done now. This chicken takes long to cook, so I'm going to just add enough water to cook the chicken until it's tender. The water, you can add how much water you want. This soup of this the soup of this chicken is healthy as well, special on winter time. This side in South Africa is winter now, so that's why I had this idea to make hard-boiled chicken, because the soup is very healthy as well. Yeah, so I cook my chicken for about 30 minutes. If you have pressure cooker, you can cook in 15 minutes. Yeah, so I just I opened the pot and the chicken was fine, was soft, and then I put on steam for 5 minutes, and here we are. The chicken is perfectly done. As you guys can see, the soup is just normal. Like I said, it doesn't matter the soup. I just wanted normal soup. I didn't want too much. Okay guys, please give this video a thumbs up right now if you haven't done, and if you're new here, thank you so much for watching, for joining, for clicking in this video. Make sure you subscribe, and yeah, turn on that notification bell, so when I upload the video next time, you're gonna get notification and you're gonna be able to watch more videos from this channel. Yes, thank you all for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.